Meaning of insistently.
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 Insistently. Insistently is an adverb that describes persistent and urgent behavior or demand. It implies a sense of urgency and determination in the way someone is insisting on something. For example, if someone insists insistently on getting something done, they are showing great persistence in trying to make it happen. This type of behavior can often be seen as pushy or aggressive, but it may also be seen as effective and determined. Ultimately, the use of insistently suggests that the person in question is not willing to give up easily and will continue to pursue their goal until they achieve it.